We just want to say a big thank you very much to Martin from the Obsessive Car Detailer channel on YouTube. Hop on over there, guys, and give Martin a follow and a share on his videos and things like that. He's done a fantastic review for us on our leather cleaner and protection cream, and says it's now his go-to leather cleaner and protector for car interiors. So you can't get much more of a better accolade than that. So thanks very much, Martin, and Happy New Year to you. Much appreciated. Thank you very much. From Richard at LRC. Thank you.
So there we go, guys. I did say it's going to be a very quick one. So I think as far as the leather is concerned, really pleased with it. I've used a number of leather products in the past. This is by far the best leather products that I've used. I'm really pleased with them. We'll carry on using them. They are now my #1 leather product for the interior of my car.